What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rob. How you guys doing? It's been a while since I've talked to you. It's a long while since I did a vlog on the FZ-10. I cannot believe that I had this bike for 5 years now. I gotta tighten that up. 5 freaking years I've had this bike. And it's been a very good bike, actually. Haven't had any issues with it. It's getting some nicks and scrapes and all that kind of thing, but again, it's 5 years old. Haven't done any trips, but mainly what I use it for is commuting or riding with some buddies on a weekend, doing some twisties, that kind of thing. So, but yeah, 5 years, September of 2016. That's when I purchased this bike, and no regrets, no regrets. So I hear Yamaha is about to release the new 2022 MT-10, which is going to have some updates, and I think there's going to be some. Hold on one second. Yeah, it's going to be some updates to the 2022 MT-10. I think it may be some very negligible, a very negligible power difference between the 2022 and the previous versions of the MT-10. But yeah, I'm looking to see how that thing performs, what other upgrades and improvements it has over the previous version. Am I gonna buy it? No, hell no, I'm not gonna buy it. I mean, this FZ-10 has plenty of power, plenty of matter of fact, it almost has too much for little old me. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing it though. I wonder if it's going to look a lot different from the current version. Anyway, yeah, let's do a quick ride. Yeah, I've been riding for a little bit today. Had the camera in my bag, so I said, hey man, why not do a quick vlog and let everyone know that you are doing okay. Yeah, I just been real busy these days, man. It's been a freaking busy year. Very busy year. Professionally and personally. But no major complaints anyway. You know, life happens. Oh man, this bike is just badass. I don't ride this bike as often as I ride the Super Tenere and now the Gold Wing. I'm starting to ride that a lot more. But man, this bike is still so much fun to ride. Bought some new tires, some Michelin Road 5s. And I'm pretty happy with these tires so far. I was looking at the Pilot 5s, but I think the Michelin 5s are good enough for me for what I ride for anyway. I have yet to make any kind of upgrade to this bike. Still got the stock exhaust. No ECU flash, totally stock. But it's good enough for me, perfect for me. Speed trap, major speed trap. Got to try that barbecue joint up one of these days. So yeah, folks, I'm on Farm to Market 471, which is not a bad road to ride on, especially in the morning. Right now it's like 4:22 in the afternoon, so it's not the perfect time to ride this road, but in the morning it's awesome. A lot of cyclists like to ride this road during the weekend in the morning. That's the only thing, but besides that, there's nobody on this road. You can just cut it up if you want. But unfortunately, now, got a few folks on the road, so I really can't do what I want to do. But yeah, I am very excited to see that 2022 MT-10. So how's my Super Tenere doing? It's doing pretty good. I'm wondering if Yamaha is going to come up with an update to that great bike. Again, my Super Tenere is a 2014. Had it for, well, bought it pretty much new back in 2014. No issues with that bike as well. But I would like to see some updates to it. Yeah, this guy's truck is out of alignment, it looks like. Very distracting. All right, buddy. You're like going really, really slow. And I'm getting tired of waiting on you. Woo! Yeah, baby. Whoops, let me slow down. Cops are out today. I've been riding for a couple hours, and there are a lot of bikes out today. Temperature is almost perfect. About 79 degrees. Wind is pretty light. And perfect. I just love riding through this farmland area. It's good to see they got some lights up. Warnings for this curve, or these curves. A lot of folks have been getting jacked up coming through here at nighttime or early in the morning. They say, yeah, take the curve at 25 miles an hour. You better do it. Find yourself in a ditch in a heartbeat. Of course, I take it just a little faster than that. All right, here comes the ambulance. Woo! Man, this bike is awesome. Well, shoot, I'll go ahead and tell you what I got planned for December. I might be taking a little trip on a bike going east on I-10. Check out my brother in New Orleans and maybe go out to southern Mississippi to see my granddaughter. My daughter just found out earlier today she'll be back in southern Miss to see her mom. So I might go out there for a few days. So if I do, I'll take the Gold Wing. And maybe rent an Airbnb and just kind of chill out for a few days, spend some time with the granddaughter, and just relax. That's what life is about, right? Relaxing, spending quality time with family, good friends. So easy to get caught up in work and bullshit, basically. Not saying work is bullshit, but other things that you really don't need to spend cycles on. So easy to get caught up and fail to see the forest from the trees. So you just got to take time and regroup, get your perspective back, and riding a motorcycle helps with that. Well, it helps me anyway. Can't speak for anybody else, but it helps me regain my perspective. Riding a motorcycle, having some alone time, and vacation time kind of helps that as well. Regain that perspective. It's funny how I get older, I start to realize that, and I've become less tolerant of unnecessary things in life. Bullshit. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to the house. I'm gonna check out that movie Dune. I heard it was pretty good, so looking forward to seeing that. And tomorrow is Sunday, October 31st. I may take the Gold Wing out for a little bit. I'm starting to really like that bike now. I liked it, but I'm starting to really like it now. I didn't before because I just thought it was too tech for me. But more and more I'm starting to appreciate it more than I did before. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well these days. I'm gonna keep this vlog short and sweet, and who knows, I might vlog on a Gold Wing tomorrow. So if I do that, you guys will see me again real soon. But anyway, stay safe, be nice to each other out there. Don't focus on the BS, focus on what's important in life, and I will talk to you later. Peace.